welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing, or I'm going to be revealing the new camera I just got for my YouTube channel and for my personal use. I've been making my videos on my phone and on this particular camera, which I think is time to upgrade, and I'm going to be showing you everything. I ordered this, arrived today. I'm so excited to show you. I don't know anything about the camera, so we're going to just go through it together and enjoy the video. Just keep watching and keep subscribing. So I just got this pack today. It's in this pack. Don't worry, it's disinfected already. So I'm just going to open. Ooh, I'm so excited to see what this camera has got to offer. Here you have it. You see, one of the reasons why I don't like recording on this phone is I love to see myself while I make my videos, but since I'm using the front camera, whatever I'm showing, if it has a write-up on it, it just shows the opposite. You see what I'm talking about? See, it is supposed to be EOS M50, but it is written upside down, except I use the back camera, which I don't like. So that's one of the reasons why I thought, no, I need to get me a camera. And because one of my role model who is on YouTube, that is what she uses, she recommended it, I just thought, no, I'll just go for it. And I finally did it today. So just come with me, let's do this. Here you have it. I'm using the rear of my phone right now. And here you can see the name. It is still intact in its box. Just going to open this. See. Open the pack, it's got this manual which I will need to go through because I have no clue whatsoever what the camera does, how it functions. So here is the manual, and here we've got the camera. Ta-da! Here you go. See? Then I think this is the cord for the charging. Either the battery or extra. And I've got the lens. Image stabilizer, I think the highest is 45. Got this lens that came up with it. This is just, I think, the rope to hang the camera. That is it. That's all that's in the box. So let's get to the business of coupling it. The greatest feature about this camera is this screen. You can actually flip it over to see yourself when you're recording your video. I know a lot of other cameras have got this, but I just love this about this camera. You can actually see yourself. Just flip it over and you're recording, but yes, you can still see what you're actually recording. That's so nice. So we need to figure out how to put the battery in. I'll have to take my time to go through this camera, to study it, and to know how it actually functions. Yeah, here, the battery goes in here. I've got the battery here. I'm just going to insert it. I hope it's charged. If not, then I will still have to charge it here. Because there's a pin inside, you want to put the side with the pin into the camera. here you go. No, let's try this other side. Yeah, that's it. And here is where the SD card will go. This is where the SD card goes inside. Just here. There's an off, I don't know if you can see it, off and on button here. Just put it on. The green light is on. It shows it's on. And here is the screen, the display. It just shows you the setting, I think the time, the date, and the rest of it. It's touch screen. See? So this is where you just do all your settings. I'm not going to be going into that right now because it's something I also need to get used to. Here is where you attach the lens. Just need to open it and screw and attach your lens. The same thing, you have to open. That's it. This is how you remove the cover, and ta-da! The instructions are there. It just directs you. Then I will have to just read everything, and hopefully our next video will be on this cutie pie. So if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, it is okay. I advise you to start with your phone, start with whatever you've got, but with time, if you think it's something you want to keep doing, something you love doing, just upgrade to a camera. And if you're looking for a very good camera, I know it's a little bit pricey, I will recommend this camera. I've not used it, but you're going to see the difference between what I'm doing right now, because I'm still on my phone, and what I'm recording with this camera, with what I've got with the review and everything. I think this camera is going to do the job. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you these. Thank you. Keep subscribing. Love you. Bye.